I'm just going to do this with the phone because this G3 is broken and I took everything off of it. But what you do is you get a hose clamp, and then one of these clamps right here, these clamps are $1. You clamp it on. Let's see if I can do this. I can't do it with my other hand. It'll clamp onto the side right here, and it'll miss the wires. The G4 doesn't have the wires anymore. And then down here I have it modified for a different type of setup. But what you do is you put another hose clamp that looks like this. Come on, focus, you stupid phone. And then I cut the screw, because what happens is you then take your audio recorder and it'll go right on there. And the screw that you use for the gimbal, when you finally get it on there, you leave it longer, and your recorder will be down here, way down here, because the hole, wherever the hole is, there's the hole. It'll be way down here at the bottom, and then your microphone will be up there in the little clamp. But you leave the screw longer on the gimbal one, so that your fingers can actually go behind it. This setup right here, the recorder's right up against the pole, and that's for a different setup that I do for something. But on this one, I left the screw really long, and then your fingers can actually go right behind it. So there's finger space there. Hope that helps. Also on the G4, the handle's a lot shorter than this. This one has this piece right here, and then there's another one under here, so it's easy to do stuff. I like it so that if it does slip, it hits these little thingies right here. But you could use one of the extension poles to mount stuff to, or I noticed the G4 has another one of these pieces to extend the battery life. It has the batteries in it, so it's like having a longer handle than even this one. You can mount stuff anywhere you want on this. Another thing a lot of people are doing is they're using one of these type of things, and they're laying the gimbal down on it, like here, on that piece. And then it's okay if that falls, it's broken anyway. And then now you have a hot shoe, or it's actually a cold shoe, but you can mount stuff there, and you can clamp stuff on the handle, and you can still just hold the handle and walk around with your gimbal that way. These are, in the United States, $20, $25.